For summer 2025, we've designated as a new Louisiana super plant Vermillionaire cuphea. Now there's a lot of species of cuphea out on the market, but Vermillionaire is one of the best that we found in terms of year-to-year performance. In South Louisiana, you might find that this even perennializes, although we're going to promote it as an annual because in North Louisiana, it probably won't survive winters. Now, one of the great things about this plant is its compact size. It's only going to get a couple of feet tall, maybe 1 to 2 feet wide, and it's going to stay really bushy and full. And then it's going to be filled with these cigar-shaped blooms that are bright orange to red. And what does that attract? Hummingbirds and other pollinators. It produces a lot of nectar, but it's especially important for hummingbirds because of the shape of that flower. Now this plant thrives in heat and it's going to continue to bloom all the way through fall till first frost. And again, maybe it'll come back even next year. To get the best performance out of this plant, you'll need to put it in full sun. It won't bloom very much if it gets any shade throughout the day. You'll need to water it to get it established, but once it's established, these can be very drought tolerant plants. And again, the heat tolerance is one of the things that we love about it because as summer progresses, a lot of times our landscapes start to kind of weaken through August and September and things don't look so great, but not this plant. It's going to be perfect. In addition to all those other wonderful qualities, this plant is relatively disease and pest free. We've observed no problems during our many years of trialing this plant. For 2025, the LSU AgCenter is named Vermillionaire cuphea. It's Louisiana Super Plant for summer. For Get It Growing, I'm Jason Stagg with the LSU AgCenter.